Is your knee swollen and stiff? Does it feel tight and heavy, making it hard to bend or walk? This could be due to excess fluid inside your knee joint, also called knee effusion. But don't worry, I'll show you a step by step home treatment plan with proven exercises to reduce swelling, improve movement, and ease your pain. Stay with me till the end. These simple tips can help you feel better fast. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's start with the understanding of knee effusion. Knee effusion happens when excess fluid builds up inside the knee joint. This makes the knee look swollen, feel stiff, and sometimes even painful to move. It can be caused by some injuries like sprains, ligament tears, and meniscus damage. Some kind of arthritis like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or gout. Overuse from excessive standing, walking, or repetitive knee movements. Some kind of infections or medical conditions like bursitis, lupus, or infections. Now let's move on to the treatment plan. For the first 48 hours to control swelling, use RICE method. Meaning rest, avoid excessive movement to let the knee heal. Ice, wrap an ice pack in towel and apply for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Compression, use a knee wrap or brace to limit swelling. Elevation, keep your leg raised above heart level using pillows. Once swelling is controlled, we can start gentle exercises. Let's start with some kind of isometric exercises, meaning pain-free strengthening. These exercises help activate muscles without stressing the knee. First is quad sets. It activates thigh muscles to stabilize the knee. Sit with your legs straight, put pillow under the knee, tighten the thigh muscles by pressing on towel. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Second is inner thigh isometric hold. It improves knee stability. Place a small pillow or roll towel between your knees. Squeeze gently and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Next is gentle range of motion exercises to prevent stiffness and improve movement, like heel slides. It loosens stiff knee. Sit or lie down, slowly slide your heel towards your buttocks, then straighten it. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Next is long sitting knee extension. It encourages knee mobility without weight bearing. Sit with your legs straight and a roll towel under your knee. Keep your thigh relaxed while you lift your foot off the ground, straightening the knee. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower it down. Repeat 10 to 15 times per leg. Next, we have to do stretching exercise to relieve tightness and reduce swelling. Hamstring stretch in long sitting. Sit with one leg straight and other bent. Lean forward slightly towards the straight leg. Keep the back straight. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch the leg. Next exercise is calf pumps. It improves circulation to reduce swelling. Point and flex your toes back and forth. Do 20 times per leg. Next is straight leg raise. Lie down, lift one leg straight up, hold for 5 seconds, then lower it down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. You can take help with the elastic band or some kind of towel. Doing these exercises daily can help reduce swelling, stiffness, and pain so you can move freely. Here are some bonus tips for faster recovery. Drink more water. It helps flush out inflammation. Cut back on salt. Too much salt makes swelling worse. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Add turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens to your diet. Manage your weight. Less weight, then less stress on your knee. Try this home treatment plan and let me know in the comments which exercise helped you the most. If your swelling does not improve or worsen, consult a doctor or healthcare professional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more physiotherapy tips.